So I've seen a lot of people online confused about how to get Steam boot up animations. Now that when you go into the Steam Discovery Center and you type in Repo Manager, it's no longer there. So this is a tutorial on how to get your boot up animations without the Repo Manager. It's very simple, so we'll just exit out of this. And the first thing I'm going to go to is my browser, and we're just going to go to Steam Deck Repo. So we're going to go to steamdeckrepo.com, and we're just going to go ahead and find a file that we like. So let's just go to most downloaded. This handheld history one's pretty cool. So we'll just click out of that ad and we'll download this one. All right, we can see it's downloaded and it's now in our downloads folder. So what we're gonna do is inside of Dolphin in your file manager, you're gonna go to Home. I have a device called Home, but we're gonna go under Places and select Home. And this is where a lot of people get confused. It usually looks like this, but what we have to do is go up to the corner and click these three dots and hit Show Hidden Files. All right, so here we have all the hidden files. What we want to do is hit .steam. And then inside of .steam, we want to go to root. And then after root, we want to go to config. And then once you get to this point, this is where people also get confused. What you have to do is right click and create a new folder. And you're going to title this UI Overrides. All right, go ahead and open your UI Overrides folder. Create a new folder. And we're going to title this Movies. All right, once you have that folder created, go ahead and go back to your downloads. What we can do is we can take this Movies file and just drag it over here and pin it. So here we have the movies. So we'll go to Downloads. Here's our handheld history boot animation. We're just going to drag this into the Movies folder. Move it over there. And I also have this Xbox 360 custom intro. I'll go ahead and drag that one over there too. All right, so we go into the Movies folder now that we created, and now we have these two custom boot animations. So what we're gonna do is we can go back to gaming mode. And there you see the custom animation just played. And then when we go into the settings here, and we go down to customization, we can see I have this handheld history one and the Xbox 360 one as well. So if you do that, you'll have your files here, and then you can select whichever one you want and restart your Steam Deck and you'll be good to go.